DEN stands for Digital Engagement by Noble. The clients we work with today find their brands living in a world that is more undefined and interconnected than ever before. It is a world where mass communication drives one-on-one conversation between brands and consumers. This individualized communication is what we call engagement. Understanding the individual, their preferences, and their behavior is how DEN helps you interact with users in social media, retain interest on your website, and inspire people to generate content for your brand using their mobile devices. Digital Engagement by Noble helps you find and manage opportunities in this new landscape. From content creation, site and application development, user experience and analytics, to user-generated content, e-commerce, and online branding, DEN is here to handle your needs, surpass your expectations, and give your brand a whole new way to impact the marketplace.